a baby shot. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So for today's video, we're gonna be opening up my Boxycharm, and this is for the month May. Oy! There's so many birthdays in May. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna be opening the Boxycharm box. Okay, so this is for the month May. So let's open it. So Boxycharm, and it says a Boxy Bash. So let's open this, and the first thing we see is the COVERFX Blurring Primer. Oh, okay, this is pretty freaking neat. The blurring primer, and goes for $38. A lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. I tried to say that in one breath. So I'm excited to try this out because you guys know I love Smashbox primers, Dr. Brandt, Maybelline. So it's going to be pretty excited to try something else out. So first thing, yes. Oh, I got 4 brushes. Okay. Oh, it's different. Okay, it's not together. Okay, so this is the P12 face brush with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. So here's the brush up close. So it feels super duper duper soft. So I'm excited that we got a face brush. Yeah. Okay, so next we have, so I think it goes with this. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I see this everywhere. It reminds me of like Harry Potter, and just because of the ink and just, oh, it's so freaking cute. So this is the Pretty Vulgar. We got Pretty Vulgar in our last Boxycharm. We got a blush. Here it is right here. We got a really pretty pink brush. This one is Prime Vixen. So it's so cool that we got another Pretty Vulgar item. And this is again the eyeliner. Oh, that looks so freaking smooth. Okay, so the Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner, this one goes for $24. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I don't know if you guys look how smooth that is in there. Oh yeah, so smooth. I love it when things are like smooth like butter. Okay, so we got brushes, and these are the 3-piece eye trios, and these are $45, which is pretty pricey. Pretty pricey. I ain't gonna lie, that is pretty pricey. So good thing we got in our Boxycharm because we only paid 21 bucks. So these are the brushes. I'm excited for, let me zoom in. Here are the brushes. I'm excited for this one. I'm excited for this one right here, so we can try it with our eyeliner, gel eyeliner that we just got. I'm gonna see if I can record it. Okay. Okay. This is a moment that we cannot miss. Can you guys hear? It's raining. I'm just going to grab some product. Oh, and it's so, like, it's so smooth. Look at that. I'm so excited. Like, look how big this is, you guys. Look how big this is. Look how much is in here. 2 ounces. And this is the blackest ink. Here is my hand, and let's see how creamy this. Oh. Oh, hell yes. Look at that. Oh yeah, I am excited. And if you dry matte, take my heart now. So let me know down below if you guys want to see an eyeliner tutorial using these 2 products right here. That would be, oh you guys, I'm so freaking excited. This is like my #1 out of the whole thing so far. Like #1 for sure. Okay, for sure. Yes, yes, yes. Next product is an all natural lip gloss, and this is from Han, Healthy and Natural. This is the Han Skincare Lip Gloss, and this one goes for $15. Ooh. Okay. You guys, it smells like cake batter. Cake batter for sure. And the eyeliner dried matte. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm so freaking excited. Okay, let's try this on my lips. I know I have brown, but we can mix it. I love mixing browns and mauves. It smells delicious. Oh. Okay, and I thought that was everything in the box. Look, I thought, I was like, but ta-da! Okay, so last but not least, this is, I'll wait. This is the PUR Sculptor. Thunder Roll. So this is the PUR Sculpt palette, the 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave the skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. This one goes for $30. So here are the swatches. Those 2 highlights. Hell yeah. Look how pretty they are. So freaking pretty. I'm really impressed with the 2 highlighters. Highlighters, oh my god. So pretty. Let's see. Put one on. Let's use Trailblazer. Did I say Trailblazer? I love Trailblazers. Okay. So we're just going to... That's nice. That is very pretty. The 2 highlighters really impressed me, which I was like... But for the 2 contour shades, I think I'm going to have to use those as eyeshadows because they are a little bit too deep for me, for my skin complexion. But I am so excited that we got the 2 highlighters. So it's like, it's okay. It is okay because we can always make it work. So it's fine. Okay, so that is everything in my Boxycharm. And I'm pretty excited. I'm mostly excited about the ink, you guys. Okay, this right here, it got me. Like, you guys don't know. Have you guys ever watched something and you see it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whatever, and you see it and you're like, oh my gosh, I really want that. Mushroom. I got it. So I'm really excited. So I definitely am going to do a tutorial for you guys for sure. Okay, so let's go over everything, okay? So the highlighting and contouring, not mad at it because I can use these 2 highlighters and these 2 I will be using for eyeshadow. Next is the lip gloss. Lip gloss is popping right now. I feel like lip gloss is coming out. Everyone, I see it a lot more than I usually would. So this is going to be something go in my bag when I'm out on the go. My lips are looking a little bit dry, or I just need a little. I'm gonna put this on. I'm good to go. And I love the color. I'm glad that I got this color because it's very pretty. Next are the brushes. I'm not too excited about the brushes. I love when we have Royal Langnickel in Boxycharm. Like I get so like obsessed, so freaking happy. I don't know why. It's just something about these where they're too basic, and where I was like, So there's one thing I didn't like in the box would have to be the brushes, okay? But we got this eyeliner brush, so I'm going to put it to use. So it's like, okay, it did work out, Jade. Stop. So yeah, and then we got the COVERFX blurring primer. So yeah, I love everything. But the brushes, they were my least favorite, which is not even bad because the box was only 21 bucks. So I was like, girl, it's good. It's not even that bad. So that is my Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up. I keep spitting. Can you guys see that? If you guys enjoyed, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you guys would like to sign up for Boxycharm, I do have my own special link down below. You guys can click it. If you guys do use my link, I do receive commission. You guys do not have to use it, but if you do, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm because I know a lot of the fam bam have Boxycharm. So let me know what you guys got. You got something different. What did you guys get in your Boxycharm? Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Recording?
Yeah. Oh my god, dude. The difference between me and you, huh?
I'm more cute. Look at my hair, yo.
Did you really say that? Yeah, no, I'm cuter. What the heck?
I'm changing now.
You're tripping, dude.
No,
yeah, no, you're tripping. So when are you gonna get the other tattoo then? Yeah, you could do that. I think I fell when I was turning 20. I'm gonna be 25, dude.